welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. A few disclaimers. I am very far behind. It's now August and I'm filming July boxes. Also, I'm in a different room of the house and my husband is in the room right next door. So you might be able to hear him and I do apologize. So for today, we are going to be unboxing the July, I hope this is July, yes, I'm not that far behind, July Glossybox. So this is a monthly subscription. It's $21, I believe, US a month. I pay for this box myself, so if I don't like something, you're gonna know. Sometimes there's a beautiful theme on the box. And sometimes it's just their standard pink box. It always comes so beautifully packaged. And it is a pretty themed box this month. So, oh, that's cute. Look at that. That's so cute. I tend to keep these ones. I don't know why. Because they're adorable. And it opens a little bit differently than usual. Usually it has a lid. That just comes right off, but this is cute too. And what else can I tell you? Let's talk about it. Oh, look at that nice yellow. So the theme this month is beauty treasures, and then the inside will tell us all about it, and hopefully we don't have too many missing items or substitutions like we have had in the past. So it always comes with this really nice tissue paper and ribbon. So you're opening a present from yourself to yourself. And then that is the box. So grabbing the first thing I see. So this is from Purlisse. It is a sheet mask. Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. Intensely moisturizing, soothing, and balancing for all skin types and combination. So I really like Purlisse's face masks. I have coconut ones that I'm going through at the moment, and they really do give you some nice moisture, and they make your skin all cool and relaxed feeling. So good first item. Okay, next up we have got Feels Like Dry Shampoo from Batiste. The Volumizing Dry Shampoo. So this removes oil to give hair show-stopping volume, and it has collagen. And this has the clean feel formula. I do like a dry shampoo. I'm going to try it out right now. It's a very tiny little size. I usually just concentrate like right here because my forehead tends to get very oily, and then this section of my hair, you've probably seen it in other videos, it starts to separate like this because it gets all oily. So I like to concentrate just right there. This, I forgot to mention, this box has both sample and full-size items. And I did actually get an email. It's the first time I've got an email from Glossybox saying that there was going to be a substitution. So whatever we don't find on our credit card, I did receive an email. So now back to the show. So I got from Verso an eye cream. So it's for Extra Nourish. It has the big number 5 on it. Backwards number 5. So it's a nourishing formula for skin around the eyes. I do like eye cream, so that's nice. It would be nice if it was a little bit bigger. And then, we got a set of 2 brushes from the brand Elena Badro. I think that's how you say that. If it would focus. So it looks like we've got a little maybe blending brush and an angled brush. I don't use the angled brushes very often. I've got a bunch of them because I hardly ever use them, so I never need to replace them. As I drop these on the floor. There's the top of my head. So those are the 2 brushes that we received. Nice and soft. The angled one's very densely packed. So that's good for when you want to do like your eyeliner or just a sharp line with your eyeshadow. There's no numbers on this or anything. So pretty color too. I don't have any eyeshadow brushes that color. And then our final item already is it. I feel like we didn't get any full-size things except for this. And I guess the brushes, so. But this is from Ciate London. It is the Glow to Illuminating Blush. I've got a blush in every single box I've opened today. Long Wear Skin Brightening Blush in the shade. What's the shade? Maybe that doesn't have a shade. Oh, Matchmaker. Do you like Ciate London's color, like their packaging, that pretty pink with the rose gold? Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay. Let's give it a little swatch. It's very buttery feeling. Oh, I'm gonna do that again. So it is this top pink. It's really pretty. It's a nice shimmery pink. Very cute. You know what? For the amount of blush I use, this is all I need anyway. I don't wear a lot of blush, so because my skin's already so naturally pink here, as you can see. But that's a really pretty color. Okay, so before I know the price of anything, I'm gonna pick my favorites, which is gonna be hard because I don't love most of the things. I'm gonna go with the Purlisse sheet mask. I want to say the Batiste, but this is so tiny. Like, I could buy that at the dollar store. The Ciate London blush, the eye serum, and then these brushes, I think. So let's see what our value is. That's not it. Where did it go? Here it is. All right, so we were supposed to get, it's right here, a Cleo Noir full-sized eyeshadow duet in golden malachite, valued at $16. So that was replaced with Ciate London, and I think this was valued at $16.95. So it's nice that they actually sent me an email and told me the value of this. So that's not bad. I don't think I could have pulled these colors off anyway. So so the Elena Badro, this is a full-size Divine Duo set, $34. So that's already more than our box cost. The Purlisse Beauty full size, $6. The Verso Skincare Eye Cream, this is a deluxe size. So the deluxe mini is 7 mils is $21, and full size of 20 mils is $60. It's quite a little expensive little eye cream. And the Batiste travel size dry shampoo is $3.99. I can get this at Dollarama in Ontario, so I don't think it's really worth $3.99. So yeah, it does give you nice tips though. So for this, it says top tip to shake and spray on your roots, holding it 12 inches away from your head. So that's nice. It does give you some tips. Is there any other handy ones? No, not really. So let me find out the value of this, and we'll see if I got a good deal. All right, so approximately the value of the July Glossybox Beauty Treasures is 80, I've already forgot, 81, I think, or 89. Oh my gosh, my memory, man, it's like a goldfish for cereal. Yeah, so we got our value. Am I impressed? Not so much. I always am debating whether I should just pull the plug and cancel Glossybox, because $21 American does add up every month. I have to keep thinking about it. I do like being a member so I can get access to the advent calendar when it comes out. So we will have to keep that in mind. But I really appreciate you all watching, letting me rant and blather on. If you'd like to subscribe, you can click here to go to my channel. You can click like down below, and there's more videos here and here. And I really appreciate you watching. Thanks so much, and have a great day.